You can get to the custom toolbar editor by either coming from Tools Custom Toolbar Editor, or this little hammer icon also brings it up. Now, we're going to start just by looking at some really trivial, simple examples. So we'll activate my tool, and I will turn on just this first little button. When I do that, I haven't defined an icon for it, so the default is it comes up as a hammer. If I look at this, you can see there's no icon there, and it just has a little, simple little brick with a hole. Okay, that's create a brick, create a cylinder, subtract the volume 2 from volume 1. So pretty trivial. If you want to create your own custom toolbar to start from, you can add from this panel and say, give it the name and give it a file to save to. If I want to add a new button, I can come in and add a new button. That button can either be a simple tool button, it can reference a Python script, or it can actually pop open another command panel. I'll talk about that one later. Okay, so that's up, hit OK, and I hit my little tool button, and ta-da, it executes the script. Not really that big a deal, but that's what it does.